Here's one for the Mopar fans. You'll like this one too. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Now first off, you're going to see this 440 on the hood. That is strictly vinyl that is on there. This has a 383 underneath the hood. It is a numbers matching 383 and 4-speed. So numbers matching engine and tranny. Original 383 4-barrel, 335 horsepower with a 4-speed paired up with that. When the restoration was done in this, they added a 6-pack to it. So I'm guessing that's when they put on the 440 vinyl or sticker. And again, that could be removed. Now, also quite original as far as the way this car would have came from Plymouth. It was a black velvet car originally. It also had the air grabber hood, and you'll be able to check these codes out on the data tag. I want to give you a good look at the front fascia, bumper, grill, headlight surrounds. Give you a good look at that. Now, I mentioned that fender tag and checking out the codes. That can be seen in our still pictures. You'll be able to look at this car from top to bottom, engine bay, trunk, underside. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Some of the other things decoded off of that fender tag. Again, black velvet, original color. It did have the V21 performance hood treatment along with that air grabber hood. This car was restored in 2005. There are receipts. There's also a dyno sheet that'll go along with it. It was dynoing around 440 to 450 horse. We're going to start it up here in a little bit, so let you hear it run also. Let you take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. As you can see, it's straight. You don't see a bunch of waves. Doesn't look like it's a real thick car. It's black, so don't get me wrong. You're going to find some imperfections here and there in the black paint. Would have been painted 15 years ago. I did notice one little spot right back here. I don't know if it'll show up in the camera or not. You can kind of see it. There's a touch up on it. But overall, the paint, I mean, it's got a nice reflection coming off it, so you know it's got a nice shine in person. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, something also done to that 383 when they built it, it does have aluminum heads on it. I believe they were Edelbrock RPM heads, Edelbrock intake, and the original heads, it appears, right here. The inner liner for the sail panels in the rear need to be reinstalled. Consigner this car said present it the way it is. They go with it. They'll be in the trunk. There's also, looks like jumper cables that happen to be in there, and also a car cover. So those will be included in the sale, and they'll be in the trunk of the car. Still pictures, once again, you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can always assist with transportation. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. And once again, you can see the reflection coming off that. There's all the way to the front door. Again, does not look real wavy, like it's had a bunch of work done to it. Not bad. And the nice thing, little older restoration on this, and you don't see anything kind of popping back through or anything like that along the wheel wells. I did notice there was almost like a little bit of checking, just I don't know, just a little uneven in the paint up here. Again, it's tough to really see in the pictures and stuff. Look at that reflection coming off the wall and the ceiling. Now remember, we do have an open door policy. If you can't make it to look at this car yourself, we do have an open door policy for a third-party inspector. You wanted somebody else to put their eyeballs on it, see it, feel it, touch it, and if you can't make it yourself, feel free to have them do that also. This would also be a white interior car. Again, 4-speed. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open. Let you take a look at the interior, check out the dash, carpeting. First off, start with the door panels. Vinyl bench seat. Rear seat's in nice shape. There's kind of what I was talking about. That one just little inlay on each side, so nothing major there. Otherwise, headliner, good shape. Now, I mentioned that air grabber hood earlier, and that is stock to this car. What it came in on it originally. That does work. It's vacuum operated, so I will start it up. I'll get some vacuum built up, and we'll slide that up for you, let you check it out. So let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the interior as far as radio, dashboard, all of that. All right, little aftermarket tack up on the steering column. That could come off easy enough if you don't like it on there. Also an aftermarket set of gauges down underneath. Like for oil pressure, temperature, and volts. I did not have the radio or the wipers working, FYI. All right, so here's that actual air grabber switch. I'm going to run up some vacuum, get the RPMs up a little bit here. See that every day, no doubt about that. Let this warm up just a little bit. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Again, 383. It was originally a 383 car. This is numbers matching. You can see the stamps in the pictures. Sounds good. Here, let's check out this hood closer. There it is. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I need to get these hood pins out. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood pop. Again, here's that air grabber setup. That is correct. Edelbrock Performer RPM, aluminum heads, you have headers, Edelbrock intake. Great looking engine, a good sounding car too. Wow. So there you go, Mopar fans. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Looking pretty original to how this would have came back in the day. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email